Direct replacement. This door hinge detent roller is designed to match the fit and function of the original roller on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This roller is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original roller fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Restore the ease and convenience of a properly functioning vehicle door with Dorman's door hinge roller. By re-establishing the door's detent mechanism, it prevents the door from swinging open unexpectedly and from suddenly blowing shut. Plus, it saves you time, money and labor. Replace only the damaged or broken roller, not the entire door hinge assembly. Top reviews from the United States. Works like it's supposed to. Very easy to install if you're familiar with working with power tools. Had to cut the factory one out. The tool is helpful but not needed. I had to zip tie the spring closed and then cut the zips after I got the spring in. Been installed for 6 months and no problems. Love that it has a grease port.